been a minute since I fucking did a video. I think today, I might just keep it nice and chill. You know, just keep it at cruising speeds. I say that, watch it cut to me like fucking, like speeding stupid quick. A fucking person on the bike kind of made me miss my turn, so. Look. I love when people like move up because they think that you're like gonna hit them when like that's definitely not the case. Like, bro, I know what I'm doing. I say that, yet I've been in like fucking 2 motorcycle crashes, both my fault. This guy knew what you was doing. She's got more fucking power today for some reason. I'm so fucking happy. Winter is finally almost over. Like, now we just gotta deal with like the night being cold. Thank God. Fucking so over winter. Literally the entire winter, I fucking had to wear like this giant ass fucking black parka because obviously this is like my only means of way to get to work and shit. But oh my God, bro. All right, I'm just gonna. Sorry, buddy, you're just being a little bit too slow for me. I don't have to fucking tell you. Yeah, I guess we'll go right. Either I need new tires or it needs to be fucking warmer, dude, because like, these tires aren't fucking sticking. I'm gonna be cruising my ass. I'm fucking redlining everything. And a lot has fucking happened. I think it's been like a month or 2 since I did one of these, probably even longer. Dude, so much has fucking changed. I lost my $250 headphones. I got new bike parts, that's fucking new on the handlebars. Had to do a valve check and I pretty much like fucked up my bike. Turns out that like while doing my fucking valve check, I fucked up my battery somehow. Come on, Grandpa. I hate when people do that shit, bro. When you have a fucking right blinker on and like you can't even turn right or some shit like that. are you gonna do? Turn right here? Fucking pause it. Where you go? You know, this is the same road that I fucking like ate shit the first time that like I ate shit on this road and it scared the living shit out of me. But now, I mean, I don't know, I feel like I'm on a different like confidence level where I can fucking hit that shit like comfortably. Kinda wanna lane split, not gonna lie. Alright, so my plan here is I'm gonna hook around here to the right, around this big ass building that's right here. And there's actually a little pathway that cuts behind that I think I'm gonna take. Bro, are you fucking, bro? I'm not. The minute that there's no fucking cars, bro, I'm going. Like, I should have did this from the beginning. Oh, sick! Whoop! Oh! Alright. Let me do it real quick. I'm gonna change my music. Alright, we go! To take another shortcut. Hit the brakes, a little bit of air time with the leg. Alright, I remember here. There you go. Boom. Get a little lip. This isn't exactly the way that I wanted to go, but I guess it works. Maya shredded the fuck out of my tire.
Goddamn.